Prime Day 2026 is almost here, and the early deals are already turning heads. From headphones and portable power stations to big screen TVs, Amazon is dropping prices across top brands well before the sale officially begins. Whether you're upgrading your audio setup, preparing for summer adventures, or refreshing your home entertainment, these early discounts deliver serious savings. Let's dive into some of the best finds you can grab right now before the rush begins. Starting with the headphone deals. When Prime Day actually starts, our attention is going to be on the big names in headphones, the Sony WH-1000XM5s and the Bose QuietComfort Ultras. But leading up to it, those big brands still have lots of savings to give. Right now, the best deal on headphones is on the Sony WH-1000XM5, an affordable pair of over-ear noise-canceling headphones. Normally $179.99, the WH-1000XM5 just dropped under $100 ahead of Prime Day. Level up your play with the Logitech G735 wireless gaming headset. Originally priced at $259.99, it's now available for just $141.53, a massive 45% savings. Designed for comfort, it features cloud-soft ear cups, lightweight build, and an inclusive fit for all gamers. Connect seamlessly via Lightspeed wireless, Bluetooth, or 3.5mm aux with dual audio mixing for multitasking. Customize your look with dual-zone LightSync RGB lighting and enjoy crystal-clear sound with the detachable Blue Voice mic. Stylish, versatile, and immersive gaming reimagined. Experience premium sound with the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless noise-canceling headphones. Originally $299.99, now just $219, a 27% savings. Featuring adaptive noise canceling, aptX adaptive audio, and 42mm transducers, they deliver crystal clear music and calls. With up to 60 hours of battery life, plus quick charging that gives 3 hours of playback in just 3 minutes. With Alexa voice control, intuitive touch features, and a sleek, lightweight design, the WH-1000XM5 redefines comfort, convenience, and premium audio. Sony WH-1000XM5 was $399.99, now just $278, a 30% savings. Featuring advanced Auto NC optimizer with 8 microphones, they deliver unmatched noise cancellation and crystal clear calls. Enjoy up to 30 hours of battery life, plus quick charging that gives 3 hours of playback in just 3 minutes. With Alexa voice control, intuitive touch features, and a sleek, lightweight design, the WH-1000XM5 redefines comfort, convenience, and premium audio. Bose QuietComfort Ultra was $429, now $329, 23% off. Featuring spatial audio powered by custom-tuned technology, they deliver immersive, personalized sound. Adaptive noise cancellation offers quiet, aware, and immersion modes for any environment. With 24 hours of battery life or 2.5 hours from a quick 15-minute charge, you'll enjoy non-stop listening. Soft ear cushions, touch controls, and crystal clear calls make the QuietComfort Ultra the perfect mix of comfort and performance. Now it's time for Power Station. Ready for summer adventures? If you're gearing up to pack the car and head into nature, don't forget to invest in a portable power station to keep your campsite powered. Plus, it can serve as an at-home power backup in an emergency. Right now, there's an outstanding deal on the Anker Solix C2000, which is 50% off. That takes it from $1499 all the way to $799. Ahead of Prime Day, that saves you $700. Power your adventures with the Jackery Explorer 1000 portable power station. Save big. Down from $799, it's now just $449. With a 1070 watt-hour battery and 1500 watt AC output, it runs appliances from ridges to camping gear. Fast charge to 100% in only 1 hour and enjoy a 10-year lifespan with 4,000 plus cycles. Reliable, versatile, and solar-ready power made simple. Meet the powerhouse, Anker Solix F3800 Plus Portable Power Station. Originally $2699.99, now available for $2499.99, 7% off. With a massive 3840 WH capacity and 6,000 watt dual voltage output, it can run everything from home appliances to EVs. Expandable up to 53 kilowatt hours, it's built for outages, RVs, and off-grid living. Recharge via solar or generator with 3,200 watt solar input and control it all remotely with the Anker app. Durable, versatile, and future-ready. Power security redefined. Getting ready for the World Cup? If you want to watch every heart-racing moment in 4K and have realized that your TV isn't up to par, then you need to shop the early Prime Day deal on the Hisense 55-inch U6 4K Smart TV. Normally $547.99, it's down to $397.99, saving you $150. It's an exceptionally bright TV, good for summertime viewing, with Dolby Atmos sound and Alexa built in. Roku Smart TV 2026 65-inch Select Series QLED. Originally $449.99, now just $379.99, 16% off. Enjoy stunning 4K resolution with HDR10 for vivid colors and sharp detail, plus Roku Smart Picture for optimized viewing. Stream live local news, sports, and movies with fast Wi-Fi and connect Bluetooth headphones for private listening. With voice remote, Alexa compatibility, and automatic updates, this Roku QLED TV delivers seamless streaming and brilliant performance at a great value. Transform your viewing with the TCL 75-inch T7 Series QLED Smart Google TV. Regular price $899.99, now $739.99, 18% off. Featuring stunning 4K QLED with HDR, a blazing 144 Hz refresh rate, and Dolby Atmos audio, it delivers cinematic visuals and immersive sound. Powered by the TCL AI-PQ Pro processor, it optimizes color, contrast, and clarity for lag-free streaming and gaming. Hisense 65-inch U7 Mini LED ULED 4K UHD Smart Google TV. Regular price $1499.99, now $947.99, 37% off. Featuring high QLED Mini LED Pro with up to 3,000 local dimming zones and 3,000 nits peak brightness, it delivers lifelike color and contrast. Native 165 Hz refresh rate and VRR 330 ensure blur-free gaming. With Dolby Vision IQ, Atmos, IMAX Enhanced, and anti-reflection design, this 2026 premium TV brings cinematic brilliance and elite gaming performance home. Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F Smart TV. Regular price $1697.99, now $1397.99, 18% off. Powered by the NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor with 128 neural networks, it upscales everything to stunning 4K. Enjoy HDR plus contrast, motion accelerator 144 Hz for smooth gaming, and AI-optimized brightness that reveals every detail. With Alexa built in, seamless streaming, and OLED clarity, the S90F delivers cinematic visuals and elite performance for movies, sports, and next-gen gaming. With Prime Day just around the corner, these early deals are the perfect way to get ahead of the crowd. From Sony and Bose headphones to Jackery and Anker power stations and stunning TVs from Hisense, TCL, Roku, and Samsung, The savings are already stacking up. Don't wait until June 23rd. Many of these offers are limited time and could sell out fast. Shop smart, save big, and enjoy the best of Prime Day before it even starts.